Welcome to another walk around video. Today we do have this lovely 2021 Range Rover SV Autobiography Dynamic Black. As this is the Dynamic Black, it is finished in the Santorini Black metallic, and you do get the black exterior pack as well, as you can see with the side vents. On the SV, as standard, you do get the pixel laser LED headlights. Of course, you do have the signature SV front grille with your bezel effect lettering. Moving down the side, you do get your 22-inch alloys in gloss black with your black brake calipers. The running boards, of course, your rear privacy glass. Moving around to the rear, you do have the black exhaust tailpipes, the SV badging on there. Moving into the rear, you do have the executive class Comfort Plus rear seats, so you do get the massage function to both the rear seats. It does of course have your memory functions as well, and are heated and cooled with your climate control down on the center console. You do get the Meridian signature sound system throughout the car, and as you can see, this car has been fitted with the factory fitted rear seat entertainment. You do have the ebony leather headlining with your sliding panoramic sunroof, and you do of course get the quilted and perforated semi-aniline leather. Moving on into the front, as this is the Dynamic Black, you do get the grand black veneer, and the front seats are 24-way heated and cooled with memory and hot stone massage function. You do of course get the leather and wood steering wheel as well, which is of course heated and does have your adaptive cruise control functions on there. You do get the SV specific instrument cluster, which you can display the full map if you want to. As you can see, it's done just over 17,000 miles from new. You do have your heads up display, and you do have all the other bezeled accents in here with the gear knob, SV paddle shifts. Of course, you do have your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, etc. through there. Does also have the surround view cameras with your park assist and your tow assist as well. Overall, just a lovely place to be. Does of course have all your other little bits like soft closed doors. Does come with a deployable tow bar, keyless entry, etc. Was around about £150,000 from new, so a lot of car for the money. If you've got any more questions on this car, please do contact us on 01423 33 1133. Thank you.